The Earth is full of facts and mysteries that can baffle the modern person. And today we have some of these facts that just might make you count your lucky stars that we live on such an amazing planet. While we have climates suitable for life on the surface of the Earth, our blue planet's core is 5,800 degrees Kelvin, or 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's as hot as the surface of the sun, so count yourself lucky that Earth is big enough that the temperature of our core doesn't affect our daily lives, or we would be, to say it frankly, toast. The sediments underlying Earth's oceans are home to microorganisms up to 2.5 kilometers below the ocean floor. The majority of this deep seafloor biosphere of cell division happens once every 10 to 10,000 years, says Caltech geobiologist Victoria Orphan. Scientists are discovering more and more life deep below the seafloor than ever before, leading to more questions about life and its capability to live in extreme conditions. Who knows, maybe there's life below Earth's crust. We can keep exploring and doing tests to discover more about life than ever before. At the end of this century, Earth's oceans could rise 2.5 feet. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but this would cover a lot of land. And not necessarily in a good way. This could also lead to the demise of a lot of marine ecosystems. And I know 75 years seems like a long time, but those who have young children, those children could live to see this. Global warming is continuing to be more of a threat than ever before, and we should prepare before it's too late. There are many places on Earth where people live on land that is above Earth's tectonic plates, and when these plates decide to move all of a sudden, releasing energy in waves that travel through the Earth's crust and cause the shaking that we feel when earthquakes occur. An earthquake can be a devastating disaster that destroys millions of people's homes, businesses, and any other necessities for ordinary human life. Earthquakes are measured using the magnitude scale, and the largest earthquake to ever be measured was a magnitude 9.5. And if we ever experienced a magnitude 12, scientists say this would split the Earth in two. There are more viruses on Earth than there are stars in the universe. Scientists say that there is an estimated 10 nonillion individual viruses on the planet. That's enough to assign one to every star in the universe 1,000,000 times over. That's a big number. And these viruses could affect us at any time and do some pretty intense damage to the human population. But maybe it's just better to not think about that fact, because that's enough to drive anyone to wear a hazmat suit for the rest of their lives.